Hey Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Danny. For all those new subscribers, hi. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette look. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes with this Urban Decay primer potion. Next, I'm going to blend in my primer potion with my finger. Okay, now that that's all blended, I'm going to grab a thin brush. I'm going to do the crease line. I'm going to start with Vanity, that one, and I'm going to do a little crease. Next, I'm going to grab this small little brush and I'm going to go in with Star Power on the top. I'm going to blend it out so it won't look so harsh either. Next, I'm going to go in with this blending brush from e.l.f. It's called an eye crease brush, and blend it real good so it won't look so harsh on top. Go with Princess and put it on top with this blending brush. I'm going to go in again with Star Power and blend it out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild concealer to do the inner lid. Be a sharp, crisp line. Just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other one. Lids look like this. We're going to use a little bit more black to diffuse the black a little bit. And we're going to go in with Black Rainbow to give it just a little bit of glitter. And blend it lightly, but blend it. A lightly blend is always good. It won't look so hard. But lightly blend. To set the concealer, I'm gonna get a Wet n Wild shadow brush and set it with China White so it could stay still and not move. grab my Wet n Wild angled brush, and I'm going to use some e.l.f. liner. Okay, so once you get the liner done, next step is the glitter primer in there, and then we're almost done. Okay, so the glitter glue we're gonna use, or the glitter primer we're gonna use, is the NYX, and then we're gonna use Wet n Wild smudge brush and go in the crease with this. Okay, next we're going to use the NYX glitter. It's in the shade 10. The shade 10. My e.l.f. brush and the glitter, and put it on the lid. Okay, so now you have all the glitter on, next thing to do is do the bottom, because we can't look funky, so we're going to do the bottom. Grab this eyeshadow brush and go in with Star Power at the bottom. And work your way up. So now we have some pink at the bottom. Now we're going to go in the inner waterline and put some black. We're going to go in with this CoverGirl pencil and black in the waterline, okay? Okay, now that we have that, lashes, and then the lipstick, and we're done. Alright, so I'm going to use the Duo Clear White and the Salon Ready 614 in black lashes. Alright, so I'm going to get the lashes, a little bit of glue on them, put a little bit of glue on them, glue on them. And then go put them on. Big pretty lashes. Now mascara, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. The last thing I'm going to do is my lips with I'm Shook from Jeffree Star. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters, if you like this look, go ahead and give it a big like, thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you Beauty Glam sisters. Thank you. Until next time, Beauty Glam sisters. Bye.